today's video we are going to be unboxing the September RoccaBox. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome. I hope you're all doing fabulous, and yes, like I said in my previous video, my glossy box video, also welcome back to me because I haven't filmed a video in a while. But yeah, I am hoping to get back into the swing of things and start bringing out regular videos. So yeah, stay tuned. So today, like I said, we are going to be unboxing the September RoccaBox. So let's open this up. I paid for this myself. This is £15 per month. I'm sure you have to pay postage on top as well. Double check that just to be sure. The link down below, I'll pop it in the information box and the comment box. If you click that and you purchase the box, it'll get you 20% off your first box, which is a great little help, to be honest. Here is the box, opening it on up. We have the edit card here, we have a digital edit card, is it? But there's a sneak peek of the products in the box in any way, and it just says here, this edit is called the Heroes edit, and yeah, this box has a value of £174.50, so that sounds amazing. Let's just jump straight into here and see exactly what we've got to play with. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button somewhere down there, give it a little tap. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. Hit that notification bell as well, because I will be uploading videos and I would love for you to see all of them. And yeah, make sure to smash that thumbs up button if you like this video, which I kind of like really hope that you do. But yeah, let's get on with it. So the first item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Murad, and this is Quick Relief Moisture Treatment, a full-size product that has a value of £46. It just says you'll find there are two versions of your hero box. One including the dry skin powerhouse Murad Quick Relief Moisture Treatment. The supercharged hydrating moisturiser is formulated to provide instant and long-lasting hydration, perfect for combating dryness and irritation. It's lightweight and powerful, making it ideal for those skin types, especially as we transition into the colder months. So two versions of your hero box. What? I'm confused. I don't understand. There's only one. It doesn't say anything else there, like you could have got this or this. Yeah, I'm being a bit slow here, guys, but this is what I've got. Yeah, so the Quick Relief Moisture Treatment for the face, eyes, and body as well. I'm not gonna open this up because I want to keep it nice and fresh, but that's what it looks like out of the box. And this full-size product is, how much do you get in there? That's a really good question, Joanne. How much do you get in there? 50 mils. 50 mils you get in there. Yeah, I love this brand, and I have never heard of this product before. Words, I'm struggling. So we'll be really happy to try this out to see exactly what it's like. I'm expecting very good things from this brand. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Noughty, and it's the Hero Body Yogurt. It's a full-size product with a value of £8.50, so definitely on the more affordable side. And it says here, this nourishing body moisturiser is your dreamy rich cream for your body. Enriched with natural ingredients, you'll get deep hydration while being lightweight and fast absorbing, perfect for those mornings when you're in a rush and still want to give your skin some love. It's silky smooth, smells divine, and it's a true body hero which deserved a place in our heroes box. Okay, yeah, I have so many body lotions and potions and butters and everything for my body, and I think I have a couple of these but in different scents, so yeah, let's give it a little go. Actually smells alright. So what scent is this? It just says with sweet almond oil and hyaluronic acid, but what's the scent? I put way too much on my hand there, never mind. Oh, way too much. Oh dear me. I mean, it smells pleasant. It's not a strong scent at all. I must admit, I like my body stuff strong scented. I like to stink good. I like to smell nice, obviously. But yeah, no, it feels nice on the skin, and yeah, it's already, I can feel it, it's already absorbing into the skin. Doesn't leave a greasy texture, which is nice as well. Okay, yeah, no, it's okay. It's a body yogurt. It's nothing really to get excited about, but it's nice. It is nice. Third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Rodial, and it is snake jelly eye patches. So you get a single mask here. So in other words, you get a set of eye patches. You better not just get one eye patch, because that's going to be well weird. Yeah, I am presuming you get a pair of eye patches. And this has a value of £14. Wow. For those days where your eyes need a little extra TLC, this Rodial snake jelly eye patches are here to save the day. These innovative patches are infused with a cocktail of firming and plumping ingredients designed to tackle fine lines, yes please, puffiness and dark circles. Pop them on for a quick pick-me-up and you'll be amazed at how refreshed and rejuvenated your eyes look. Insider tip, for an at-home mini spa treatment, pop them in the fridge. I always do. Any of my masks that I'm able to, and eye masks and stuff, I always pop them in the fridge because I love the cooling sensation that you get when you pop them on. It's amazing. Yeah, Rodial, absolutely love Rodial. Can't wait to slap them on and give them a go. Fourth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Revolution. On the box it actually says XX by Revolution, and it is a bronzer. It's a full-size product with a value of £12, and it just says this bronzer is a game changer for anyone looking to add a natural sun-kissed glow to their complexion. The finely milled powder blends easily, giving you the perfect bronze finish without any harsh lines. Whether you're contouring or just adding a touch of warmth, this bronzer is a versatile staple, deserving a spot in the makeup bag. Yeah, cool. The shade I've got is Chaos. I can hear banging. Am I losing my mind? I'm probably losing my mind. Just trying to open the box here and ow. This is what it looks like. That looks well nice, you know. Oh wow, it looks very posh. So opening it up, let's just remove the plastic. We have a mirror here, so I'll just cover that up, and there it is. That looks dark though, doesn't it, for my pale skin. Let's just have a little swatch. I've just put some on my finger, so that's that there, and then let's just blend it out a bit. But that's it there. Hopefully that will be better with a brush, applying it properly. I mean, it does look like a nice shade. I'll actually try it properly to make sure that it looks all right. But yeah, I think it looks very nice indeed. And final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Symbiosis, and it's a balancing sorbet exfoliator. It's a full-size product, and it has a value of £94. Oh my goodness. So the full-size product was 50ml, just to let you know. So let's have a look. This product alone makes the Heroes box an incredible value. This exfoliator is designed to gently slough away dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, more radiant complexion. Its balancing properties makes it perfect for all skin types, especially those prone to uneven texture and dullness, which is great because this texture here, I've had that for months and months and months, and it won't bugger off, and it's so annoying. It looks like spots under my makeup, and it's not. I have no idea what it is, but it's annoying me. It's the kind of product that transforms your skin routine into a luxurious experience effortlessly. I always struggle with that word. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Me and words. Right, so that actually sounds amazing. Again, I'm going to leave this sealed because I want it to be nice and fresh when I use it, because I have product overload going on in my house and I need to start getting to like grips with some of the stuff that I've got. I need to have a huge sort out. But yeah, I love this brand. It's such an expensive brand. It really, really is. Some of the products I've tried from them have been amazing though. This is why I love the beauty boxes, because I get brands in the box that I can't necessarily afford on my own, so I still get to try bougie products for not bougie prices, which is great. But yeah, I can't wait to try that. Right guys, this is the September RoccaBox. This edit is called the Heroes edit with a value of £174.50. Oh my goodness, what do you think? Personally, I think it is a great little box. So I mean, wow, we have a Symbiosis product in there which has a value of 90 odd quid. That's amazing. Hopefully it's good. We have a Murad product in there too. Amazing, love that brand so much. And Rodial as well, little Rodial eye patches. So them three brands there, the stars of the show. And then we've got one more affordable products, like a Revolution product there, bronzer, which yeah, looks really nice. It felt really soft and buttery. It is quite a nice colour. Again, I'll just have to apply it properly so I can get a gist for what it's like. And then we have the Noughty body lotion, body yogurt, whatever you want to call it, which is pleasant. It's okay. Not excited by that one, but it is a useful product and we all have to look after our skin, so yeah, it will get used. But yeah, overall I think this box is pretty decent. I really like it. Comment your thoughts down below. Again, if you are interested in this box, click the link down below. It'll get you 20% off your first box. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.